Ladies and gentlemen, tech enthusiasts, and visionaries of the future, welcome to an exploration into the next frontier of transportation. Imagine stepping into a vehicle where the driver isn't a person but a sophisticated blend of sensors, cameras, and cutting-edge artificial intelligence. This is the essence of Waymo, a trailblazer in autonomous vehicle technology and a subsidiary of Alphabet Incorporated. Waymo has redefined the way we envision transportation by introducing the concept of robot access. San Francisco's diverse and dynamic environment serves as the ultimate testing ground for Waymo's self-driving technology. From the iconic Golden Gate Bridge to the winding Lombard Street, every twist and turn showcases the capability and adaptability of Waymo robot access. Pier 39, San Francisco, a waterfront wonderland. Greetings, fellow wanderers and seekers of coastal charm. Today, we set our sights on one of San Francisco's most beloved landmarks, a place where the city meets the sea. Welcome to Pier 39. Nestled along the vibrant Embarcadero, Pier 39 is not just a pier, it's a waterfront wonderland waiting to be explored. As the salty breeze mingles with the city's energy, Pier 39 stands as a testament to San Francisco's unique spirit. This bustling pier is more than a destination, it's a convergence of entertainment, shopping, and breathtaking views that will leave you enchanted. Join us as we stroll along the bustling boardwalk, passing lively shops, tempting eateries, and attractions that make this pier a hotspot for locals and visitors alike. From the iconic sea lions basking in the sun to the mesmerizing carousel, every corner of Pier 39 tells a story of seaside joy. Pier 39 is not just a feast for the eyes, it's a paradise for shopaholics and food enthusiasts. Explore the eclectic boutiques, savor the flavors of fresh seafood, and discover the vibrant street performances that add to the lively atmosphere. As the sun sets over the bay, Pier 39 transforms into a spectacle of lights and nightlife. The vibrant energy continues with live music, entertaining shows, and a panoramic backdrop of the San Francisco skyline. In this exploration, we'll unravel the treasures of Pier 39, from its history to the present-day charm that captivates millions each year. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready for a virtual journey along the iconic Pier 39 of San Francisco. Google, a digital revolution in a name. Welcome to the world of Google, the digital titan that started in a Stanford dorm room and evolved into a global tech giant. In 1998, Larry Page and Sergey Brin founded Google with a mission to organize the world's information. What began as a revolutionary search engine has transformed into an expansive ecosystem of products, shaping the way we navigate the digital landscape. Join us as we explore the concise and impactful story of Google's relentless innovation and its profound impact on the way we connect, discover, and interact online. Founded in 1976 by Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne, Apple Incorporated has become a global icon in the technology industry. The company's journey began with the release of the Apple I, a personal computer hand-built by Wozniak. In 1977, the Apple II, the first pre-assembled personal computer, was introduced, marking a significant leap in the nascent personal computing industry. Throughout the 1980s, Apple continued to innovate with products like the Macintosh, featuring a graphical user interface. The 1990s saw challenges, but the return of Steve Jobs in 1997 marked a turning point. The introduction of iconic products like the iPod, iPhone, and iPad in the 2000s revolutionized consumer electronics. Apple's commitment to design, user experience, and innovation has solidified its status as one of the most valuable and influential technology companies globally. Hey tamPrime family! If you enjoyed this video and want to be a part of our growing community, hit that subscribe button. Don't miss out on future content that will new topic. Sharing is caring. Share this video with your friends who likes. Let's spread the love and knowledge together. Your support means the world to us. Thank you for being a part of tamPrime.